Hi there! Welcome to Craft with Kathie.
You might very well be wondering, what is Chalk Couture? Chalk Couture is a DIY home decor and more company. We give you the tools to create and beautify your home and other things. Signs, clothing, gifts, and fun projects. And they're all easy to do. We have the tools to make it simple and quick. You may be thinking that you're not artistic or you're not crafty. There's no need to be. We have the tools to help you with that. Do it as we show it, or add your own creative spin on things. The choice is up to you. And our stencils are reusable over and over and over again. Adhesive backed with a silkscreen mesh, you get the detail and clarity that you don't normally find in a stencil. Use our specially formulated chalk paste, not chalk paint, that's something totally different, to apply whatever color you choose to the stencil. It goes through the silk screen and lands on the surface beneath it. Goes on wet but dries to a hard finish. Perfect for signs. When you want to personalize clothing or fabric, use our ink instead. Once it's heat set, it's permanent, and it can be used on anything with a low nap or even ceramic. And if you like to embroider, you could use any of our stencils as a design. Or try one of our new inclusive embroidery kits, everything you need to complete the project from start to finish. Aren't these adorable? Want more information? Contact me here or leave me a comment.